Jenoptik's part of a big German photonics organisation, but in the UK we're very much focused on enforcement solutions and ANPR-based technology, and we've been doing this type of technology going way back to I think the late 1970s, when we were involved in the initial invention of ANPR and the very first application. And so what we do here in the UK is we design and we make a range of enforcement technologies which are widely used around the UK road network. You can see behind me there is a column with, that happens to be a spot speed camera, so it has a radar and an ANPR camera, and fundamentally the key thing which is at the heart of everything that we do here is the ANPR automatic number plate recognition camera. And we have a family we call Vector, which has been around since about 2013, and it's been through a number of changes and iterations. They all look very similar, but fundamentally they are ANPR cameras which are used to read the unique number plate reference on a vehicle, and then it's associated with other data. But there's a whole host of other things that we do, and that is very much what's in the box. It's the ANPR technology that allows us to do an awful lot of the monitoring technologies that we develop. One of the really nice innovations that we've got with the latest generation of Vector cameras is the synchronized infrared lighting. And the reason that's beneficial is that human eyes are not responsive to infrared, or they maybe pick up a very, very dull red glow. Not everybody can. And infrared lighting allows you to capture 24 hours a day in complete darkness without dazzling or distracting drivers. And we've got a patented solution whereby the lighting is actually synchronized with the shutter on the camera, which means it's very low power requirement, but you get lovely crisp, clear images even at 3 o'clock in the morning without dazzling or distracting the driver. And I believe it's a unique thing that we're able to offer now. Technology moves much faster than type approval or the law, and so that's something always to bear in mind about when will we see something new and different. But there are a lot of innovations in the pipeline. For example, variable average speed limits is something I think we're going to see with average speed cameras, bringing the benefits of both types of technology together. Big data usage as well, in that these are basically data capture devices. Home Office type approval typically only allows you to do one thing, but you can do many more things with data if it's done appropriately, carefully and usefully. And then finally, I think there will be an increased level of enforcement in 20-mile-an-hour limits, which historically there has been a little, but not very much, but more and more urban limits are going to 20 miles an hour. So I think that's an area of growth for enforcement that we're going to see in the short-term future.